Women staff members of TOMTV presented gifts to the men employees of the channel on Sajibu Cherauba, the Meitei New Year. During the event at TOMTV office, the men staff members gave best wishes to the women employees. Youth Council Manipur YCM Konjanglekai organized a mock test for the students appearing in Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM examination. A total of 31 students from Konjanglekai and neighboring areas attended the test. TOMTV won the first and second prizes of Know Your Sanctuaries and Wetlands Mayday campaign organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU in collaboration with Forest Department and Directorate of Environment and Climate Change. The prizes were distributed at Manipur Press Club in Imphal. Teaching and non-teaching staffs of Jiri College today condoled the sudden demise of Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, Jiri College, Sagapam Kulla Singh yesterday. The staffs observed a 2-minute silence to show respect to the departed soul. Manipur High Court today ruled the election of Okram Henry as member of 15 Wankhai Assembly constituency in 11 Manipur Legislative Assembly polls is null and void. The High Court also declared that Yumkham Irabot is duly elected as a member of 15 Wankhai Assembly constituency. The development comes after Yumkham Irabot in 2017 filed a petition against Wankhai constituency MLA Okram Henry over filing a false affidavit to the Election Commission. A single bench of Manipur High Court today announced the verdict. The 11 Manipur Assembly polls were held in 2017. Today is the 387th day since India implemented a nationwide lockdown to help curb the novel coronavirus pandemic. As per a media report, India reported the highest single-day rise of 2,739 new coronavirus infections today, pushing the total tally of cases to 1,40,74,564, while the active cases surpassed the 14 lakh mark. The death toll increased to 1,73,123 with 1,038 Delhi new fatalities, the highest since October 18, 2020, the data showed. Registering a steady increase for the 36th day in a row, the active cases increased to 14,71,877.